Salam. Today I'm going to compare two books. On the left we have Qahida Baghdadiya. On the right we have Qahida Nuraniya. These two books are used by children when they start learning the Quran. First they have to learn the Arabic alphabet with the tajweed rules. And usually in madrasa, especially in the UK, they use this book, Qahida Baghdadiya. It's a big one. Okay. It's a very detailed book with lots of exercises. But personally, I prefer Qahida Nuraniya, and I'm going to explain to you why. When I was working in the madrasa, they used this book and they asked me to use it. And it's a nice book because you have lots of exercises, but I think that you have a little bit too many exercises in this book. Let me just give you an example. If you take from here to here, you're just learning about the harakat, the vowels, the a, the e, and the u, how to pronounce them, and the different combination that you can have. So you have about 20 pages here. For Qahida Nuraniya, you're going to learn the vowels, exactly the same thing, just with this page and this exercise here. Okay, when you see that the child is capable of reading this properly without any hesitation, you can move on with the long vowels and add other tajweed rules. This one is really short, okay? You don't even need to finish up to the end. Usually I stopped at the chapter number 12, just the beginning of chapter number 12. There are 17 chapters here. It's a very short one. You can finish Qahida Nuraniya in a month or maybe two, depending on how many lessons you're having. But for Qahida Baghdadiya, it takes a lot of time to finish it, many months. And this is why the madrasa, they prefer usually to use this book, because they are sure that the children are going to stay in the madrasa for a while. But if they use Qahida Nuraniya, the children, they will be able to read very quickly, but they won't stay in the madrasa, or maybe they will, I don't know. So, this is why I prefer Qahida Nuraniya, but there's a way to teach it. So you need to learn the way to teach Qahida Nuraniya. You need to understand the different tajweed rules that are mentioned in each chapter, and you have to be able to explain to the child the different tajweed rules. But if you prefer to have something, if your child, like for instance, has difficulties, learning difficulties, and your child needs more time to learn, and you're happy with him spending months just learning the Arabic alphabet before even starting memorizing the Quran, so you can choose Baghdadiya. But personally, I prefer this, and then I start immediately, when we finish the lesson number 12, we start reading the Quran directly, and we start memorizing the Quran as well. And all the other tajweed rules that are mentioned in the other chapters, in the last lessons, I usually explain to them these tajweed rules when we are doing the reading of the Quran, or when we are memorizing the Quran. They don't need to know everything at the beginning, just a little bit that will help them start reading the Quran, memorizing the Quran, and then little by little you will add more tajweed rules. Okay, so that's it for the comparison. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment, and I will try to answer your questions. Otherwise, I will see you, inshallah, in another video soon. Salam.